Hi, this is Chad with NoviSign. We're at InfoComm 2026, and today we're going to be talking about AI and digital signage. And what I want to show you here is how we have put together an AI interface using MCP and connecting with the different AI engines, ChatGPT, Gemini, Meta, Grok, Copilot. We can also connect with Claude. But essentially what we've set up is a platform that you can scan a QR code, okay? And once we've scanned it, it's going to take us to the mobile site link, okay? And we can open up this URL, and we're going to have some different options as far as what we'd like to display and update, okay? So these are three different options that you, the programmer, right, can set up. And when I say programmer, it's just a matter of connecting with the API and MCP protocol. And essentially, you can put together your content and pre-have it set. So let's say, for example, we want to change information about putting, let's say, a quote. So we're going to hit quote, we're going to type in, we want a motivation. We're going to hit submit, and this is going to generate a quote, right? We've got the quote, we've got the name, okay? Then we've got the option to regenerate it, or if we're okay with it, we can hit display on screen, okay? So this is going to give you the content right on the screen, okay? So this is going to be one good, easy, but practical solution on how you can get it so that the end users can easily design the content and set it up. And then when it comes down to putting together what you like, you can pre-create and outline your different templates. So you can create a template for company, for city, for quote, and then once the information is entered, the AI will pull and do the rest. And the neat thing is, on the setup of the different templates and the layouts of the AI, you can all utilize that within the back end of our studio, as well as our API. We have full documentation on our website, NoviSign.com. For partners, we do also have a reseller program that would have your company logo and brand on the front end, as well as a management console to create your user accounts and assign licenses. Visit NoviSign.com for more information. Thank you.